This might be the coolest water bottle I have ever seen, pun intended, but I'm so for real. It's amazing! It has a fan attached to it, y'all. This is the 24-ounce stainless steel insulated hand fan. I was sent this to review, so I'm gonna show you all about it, how it works, and why I am loving it. To charge it up, just open up the watertight USB port, plug it in with the cord included, no wall plug included. Under the fan, it'll show red when charging and green when fully charged up and ready to use. It comes with 2 lids. The one with the fan is a straw top and the other one is a chug top. To wash, just remove the charging plug, seal this up, and now it's IPX7 waterproof. You can clean the straw bit. It comes with 2 straws and also the straw cleaner, which you can use for the mouth bit as well. I love that it comes with this little strap. You can attach other stuff too, but I love that. So you can be hands-free if you need to, or you can hang this from something. They've honestly thought of everything here. Here's your straw in here, nicely protected. Just pull it out. And then you don't even have to touch the straw. You've got this little thing here. Pull this up. This is your fan, and look, it's adjustable. Tap the little power button here to turn it on. See the color here? We've got 4 speeds. Low, medium, high, extra high. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. On a hot day, going to Disney, waiting for the train outside, at the park, at your soccer game, you name it. You can hold it. You can sit it on a table and then adjust to be perfectly on you. This thing is literally genius. If you don't turn it off, it has a smart shut off and then comes right back on when you open it. That is genius. Then you don't have to do the whole touch thing here, but that's easy to do too.